Well, dear students, in this session we are going to study about the importance of training. That is Unit 4, Session 3. Importance of training. Why training is important from the point of view of organization or from the point of view of employees. Now we are going to study about from the point of view of organization. First one is favorable climate. Better industrial relations, reduced absenteeism and reduced labor turnover and improved stability of organization will lead to favorable organizational climate. ಸೊ ತರಬೇತಿನ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಾಂಸ್ಥಿಕ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಗೈರ್ಹಾಜರಿ ಆಗೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಾಂಸ್ಥಿಕ ಸ್ಥಿರತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಕಾರಣ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೇವರೇಬಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್. ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ ಅದೊಂದು ಸಾಂಸ್ಥಿಕ ವಾತಾವರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ವಾತಾವರಣವನ್ನು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತರಬೇತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಫೇವರೇಬಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ climate in the organization. Point 2. Personal growth. Training will improve the performance of the employees. It also improves the ability, knowledge, skill of employees. And it prevents employees obsolescence. Obsolescence means becoming useless due to change in the technology. This makes employees growth oriented. So, to all these training programs will give some insight about the latest technology that employees have to imbibe. And as a result, what happens is that it will encourage or it will helpful to individual growth or individual development. Point 3. Economic use of resources. A well-trained employee will make optimum use of resources. That means he is minimizing the wastage of resources while using it for the job purpose. This will lead to the reduction in cost, increased productivity, higher quality, and ultimately boost the profit level of the organization. So it increases or boosts the profit level of organization because economic resources are very scarce. If they are used carefully, it will add to the productivity of organization, quality of the product, and ultimately boost the profit level of the organization. ತರಬೇತಿಯಿಂದ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳನ್ನು ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲಿತಾರೆ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳು. ಇದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಉತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಉತ್ಪಾದಕತೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ವೆಚ್ಚದ ಮೇಲಿನ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಕೊನೆಯದ ಇದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಲಾಭದಾಯಕ ಮಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್. Training provides platform for maintaining cordial or harmonious industrial relations. That is, relationship between employer and employee. Employee develops the feeling of belongingness because he gets training from the company, and as a result definitely he feel comfortable as far as his job is concerned, and again job satisfaction will be more, and ultimately that he develops feelings of belongingness to the company. They feel that organization is taking care of their needs. So organization is also focusing on the needs of the needs of employees. That kind of attitude may develop in the minds of the employees. That is another importance of training. ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ಲೆಸ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್. A well-planned and systematically organized training programs reduces learning span. If the employees are not properly trained, there may be errors, low productivity, and employees may need more time to produce the goods. There is a spelling means it is written as goods. It is should be goods. So well planned and systematically organized training program reduce the learning span, learning time. Within 1 week, they can learn many things, many things about their job, and that help us to reduce the learning time. Next, sixth one, organizational stability. Training provides opportunity for the workers to learn and acquire skills. Training provides opportunities for the workers to learn and acquire skills. Training results in low rate of labor turnover, which means high consistency in the organization in retaining the talent pool or employees for a longer period of time. So, as I said earlier, labor turnover can be reduced by having proper training to employees because they will enjoy the work. Otherwise, they will get boredom or get tension about their job. If they are trained properly, they can do that job easily, and as a result, they feel comfortable, and the turnover rate can be reduced, and as a result, organizational stability can be ensured. ಸಾಂಸ್ಥಿಕ ಸ್ಥಿರತ್ವನ ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ತರಬೇತಿ ನೀಡುವುದರಿಂದ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಜಾಬ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಈ ಜಾಬ್ಗೆ ಬಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಜಾಬ್. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೇಬರ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಓವರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕಂಪನಿಯು ಸ್ಥಿರತ್ವವನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಬೆಟರ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್. Training results in development of skills of workers. So, particular skill that is needed to discharge a particular job, right? After obtaining training, his performance will be better than the before. That is the effect of training, or effect of training on the performance of employees. That is to be measured. Before training, what is the performance level? After the training, what actually the improved performance level? That is to be compared to know the effectiveness of training policy of our company. And by and large, it contributes to better performance in the organization. Then morale. Training will boost the morale of employees. ತರಬೇತಿಯು ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳ ಮನೋಸ್ಥೈರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸ್ತದೆ. Training will result in reduction of complaints. So they enjoy their work because they know how to do it in a very easier manner, right? Reduce complaints, reduce absenteeism, reduction in dissatisfaction or job dissatisfaction. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವರ ನೈತಿಕ ಬಲ ಕೂಡ ವೃದ್ಧಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ತರಬೇತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಅತ್ಯಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದ ವಿಚಾರ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಈ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಆಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ long run and profit of the organization in the short run, and it also reduces complaints or grievances, and it also reduces absenteeism of employees to the work, and ultimately it improves or boosts the job satisfaction level of employees, and it definitely help the organization to have stability in its function. So training is considered as one of the important function of HR or Human Resource Management, HRM. With this, I conclude this session. Thank you.